G'day campers, welcome back to Metro RV for our 4 Shades of Grey special. And we've saved, well, we've had a couple of pretty new little things, but we thought we'd save an absolutely brand new one for last. Is that, dare I say, saving the best for last? A new Voyager Eclipse X, 19'6", central door, full off-road, absolutely cracker. Now, this van is available for immediate delivery. If you don't like the yellow or you want a white van or anything, we can get a new one for you. Our turnaround is 60 days, and we put that in writing, guaranteed 60-day turnaround, which industry standards we're going to find is going to be pretty hard to beat. Now, let's have a look around. So, got a huge, and I mean huge, straight through tunnel boot, gas bayonet. We've got this toolbox on here. Now these vans do come with electronic stability control, which we're about to fit actually. A couple of jerry can holders on the actual toolbox. Now this thing is incredibly well set up. So we've got 400 watts of roof mounted solar. We've got a lithium set up here with a BM Pro management system. 240 amps of lithium, which is pretty insane. Retrailing arm, fully independent suspension. Pretty standard again. So we've got two 90-litre grey water. Keep going backwards. Two 90-litre fresh and a 90-litre grey. We've put a bike rack on this. So this van is, like I said, we've spec'd them up. With what we think most people want. Safety Dave reverse review camera, external shower. Now we've got some huge storage down the back here, which is absolutely spectacular. Now I dare say the grey and yellow and black looks absolutely impeccable, but like I mentioned, if you've got something in mind colours wise, we can sit down, go through everything and pick whatever you like. But come in, this is a pretty special van in my opinion. So a premium upgraded mattress. Now people spend a lot of money on these vans, and one thing no one ever asks about is the mattress. So we sort of think we've thought about that for you. Great storage underneath. Sirocco fan up the top there. Now there's one thing, these so we've got a few different shades of light. You touch them. These lights also have a little blue light, and you hold your hand on there for a bit of light. There's also USB chargers built into them. There is also power USB and power points straight through on each side. Now, I dare say I might get some opinions about our bench top choices here. I let my wife pick this one. Now, she loves it and I dare say it's growing on me, but again, it's personal choice, this stuff. You either love it or hate it, but like I said, you've got the option of getting everything you like. So, there are USB power charging sockets here, so again, we're sort of pretty much set up to be off-grid. Great kitchen, great storage. I've got a full oven. And a grill. A double slide pantry. Oh, we're going to get some tunes.
Here's the radio station that gets you singing through the day with the best.
Rosanna, yeah. Alright. No, we have no luck with the music today. Now, there's one thing that we haven't had, well, we've had one before, but we're not, videos, I dare say, is an upside down fridge. So this compressor fridge, 175 litre compressor. Now, and an absolutely cracking, this is a seriously generous, dare I give a, it's a bit bigger than most, huge shower. And there's a TV up the front, which I possibly neglected to show you. Obviously comes with a TV and a mount that swings over and you can watch it while you're sitting or in bed. Now campers, these are brand new. Like I said, in my opinion, we've thought of most things. If there's something specific you're thinking, we're happy to tailor them. Bench tops, all this sort of stuff, obviously it's all personal choice. We can tailor to your personal tastes. 85 555, tell away no more to pay. Cracking value for what this van's got. Metro RV, Voyager, Eclipse. You can sort of disappear in the shows. Metro RV, thanks for looking and let us help you get out of town.